Hello, my dear students. I know that you're sitting at home and maybe you're missing the school and the studies. Today, let us revise the appreciation of the poem which we had already done this year. That is the new thing which you learned, which you hadn't done up to 7th standard. Appreciation of the poem. Let's do the latest poem which we learned, and that is from the 4th unit, 4.3. The Bees, the poem written by William Shakespeare. Let us revise it today. You know that the appreciation of the poem has to be written with the 5 points which are given. Like title and poet carries half mark each. The rhyme scheme carries 1 mark. Figure of speech carries 1 mark. And the most important is central idea, which carries 2 marks. Start. So now let's start with the poem The Bees, which is written by William Shakespeare. The poem The Bees is written by the famous English playwright William Shakespeare. It's a wonderful poem with a detailed and interesting description of the bees' kingdom. Now the next point is the rhyme scheme. And if you have noticed, there is no rhyme scheme in the poem. What do we call it as? Yes, it is called as the free verse. So there is no fixed rhyme scheme for the poem, and so it is into a free verse format. Next point is the figure of speech. There are several figures of speech used by the poem, like inversion, personification, simile, alliteration, etc. Now let's take this example. Others, like merchants, venture trade abroad. Here, others, that is the bees, are compared with the merchants. So there is a comparison of the bees with the merchants. It's simile. The central idea of the poem is very simple. It says that the insect which are inferior or lesser to humans are superior in their methods, and we can learn a lot from them. The poem surely gives a different insight of looking at a small creature and to learn from them. So students, we have revised today the appreciation of poem. You know that this question will come to you up to 10th standard. So I think you should practice writing the other 7 poems which are left from the textbook. Today we have done one of them. So just practice writing the appreciation of the poem. It would be very useful for you up to 10th standard. Stay home, stay safe, and keep writing and keep practicing the appreciation of poem. Let us meet next time again through this digital platform. Bye for now, children. Take care.